They captured this dog's favorite moment, and it became incredibly popular because of it. Everyone loved watching how patiently he waited for someone to arrive. That's because he was eagerly anticipating a very special treat he looked forward to every single day. But what surprised most people was who he was waiting for. It was the ice cream vendor. That's what amazed everyone. This ice cream vendor used to only bring regular ice cream, which the dog loved, but this time, things were different. Since the dog was now a regular customer, the vendor brought him a delicious, dog-friendly ice cream, which made him super happy. If you want this wonderful pup to keep being happy, leave a like.